Welcome to Everything Currency. This is the show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you about what I am seeing on this Bitcoin chart, the total two charts. I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about the OMI futures chart because there's some interesting things that happened on that chart just in the last couple of hours. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are not subscribed to the channel, check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. If you want to get in my Telegram group, just let me know. So first things first, we got to look at this Bitcoin chart right here. So of course it's been looking ugly since November. We've been talking about it. Haven't had to do much TA videos because hasn't many things changed except for this. We are trying to get a bounce off of this trend line right here, which kind of coincides with this other red trend line that I had drew in the past, and somehow when I started clicking on these trend lines, it just popped back up right here. So I'm just going to leave it there, and it's holding up. We held up there on February 4th, and now we held up there yesterday on the 21st. So hopefully we can hold that level and try to get some type of bounce for Bitcoin. But as of right now, yeah, we are in bearish territory. I'm in bearish territory until we get back above, as of right now, 46k. So we need to get back above the 21 moving average. We need to get back above the 200 moving average on the daily for me, because also the monthly chart is looking pretty bad as well. We can come back down and test this level right here, which is the 34, and let me change that back because I usually have that green. So right here we usually we getting rejected right now. So this month we have to basically get above 41k in the next 8 days or so, or else we're confirming that we're breaking below the 13 on the monthly, and then we can probably come down here and test these 30k levels for sure, which has had a bearish MACD cross. So those are things that can happen. And of course, like we all say and we all know, when Bitcoin dumps, the altcoins dump even more. So we've been having a nice downtrend on the altcoins. Some coins have been pumping and whatnot, but the chart is looking very similar to Bitcoin on the daily. So kind of hoping for the same things, just to get above the 200 moving average on the daily. Now this could spell like, some short term, a longer term downtrend. We have been a downtrend for the last couple months, but it could spell a longer term downtrend. Our last hope is that, hey, on this daily chart right here, where we bounced on this line, this red line and this yellow line, needs to hold up. So we need to get it back above these moving averages right here. 40k, that's the main level, but a lot of people are calling it dead. So me being a contrarian, I'm hoping that, hey, this bounce plays up. I don't see it on a lot of people's charts, and I have my chart on log. So if your chart is not on log, it might look a little bit different. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance. So the Bitcoin dominance looks very interesting. Getting rejected by the 200 moving average is pretty good. I want to see some of that Bitcoin money flow into these altcoins. Stablecoin dominance is also getting rejected at 9.19, which is a level that it's gotten rejected at a couple times before. Back in June, it got rejected in January, and now it's getting rejected right there again. But what I do see is that this is a cup and handle, and a double bottom right here. On this is a double bottom right here, and this is a cup, and there's the handle. If you don't know what these terms are, go ahead and look them up, because I was telling people on Twitter that when all of this news that is going around in the market is not pumping these coins, then you need to pay attention to the cycles. That means we're in a different type of cycle. That's why I've been talking about cycles on this channel pretty much the whole time I've been having this channel. We got to pay attention to these market cycles for sure. If you could take advantage of these market cycles, you can make a lot of money. Now, you could hodl and hold and stuff like that. You can ride the waves, but it will make you sick. So just be aware of that. And I'm sure if you've been holding some of these altcoins that are down 70-80%, you are feeling it now. Looking at OMI, the homie right here, this is OMI on the weekly. So we had a double top right here, or some people are calling it a triple top, but either way, had a bearish pattern, played out, brought us back down to 0.004. Now if we don't hold this level right here, then we're probably going to come down and test some lower levels like 0.003, maybe 0.0035. People were saying that they wanted to get some more OMI. Maybe that is some areas to pick up some OMI right there. This is not financial advice, of course, because I do believe that if we are going into a longer term downtrend, then nothing is safe. It doesn't matter how dope your project is. When those market cycles decide that they're gonna retrace and go into accumulation, yeah, that's what happens. But looking at this OMI futures chart right here, so this is an OMI futures chart on AscendX, on AscendX or whatever, and we had a very crazy interesting thing that happened yesterday. So right here, the price dumped all the way down to 0.004, and then it immediately, so right here, looking at OMI on the 12-hour chart on this futures chart, we can see it had a crazy dump. This volume is so high right here because it dumped down to here, and then it got pumped all the way back up to 0.0048, like instantly in a couple seconds, and then it ended up closing at the bottom. But this volume right here was kind of letting me know, like, hey, there's a lot of buyers in this area right here at this 0.004 area for OMI, and I'm hoping that that could be the bottom. But like I said, a lot of things on these charts are just hopium at this point until we get above the 13 to 34 and ultimately the 200. Now right now I got some money, I'm sitting on the sidelines and I'm waiting, and I wouldn't mind, you know, if I had to, you know, buy in at 0.006 if we're going back to all-time highs, because I'd rather have it be confirmed before I jump back in. So I'll buy the breakout of certain levels when I'm going to get back into some coins. So as of right now, still gotta wait to see what these charts do. Bitcoin is giving us a little bit of hope, and if it bounces right here, it will have been the max pain scenario, which is usually what plays out. But if we don't hold these levels, and some people are already calling it, if we don't hold these levels, then yeah, right now 35k is our last hope. If we break that, then I have no doubt that we could be going to some way lower levels for these altcoins and for Bitcoin. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed to the channel. Let me know what you guys think about this market. What is your strategy right now? Pretty soon we're going to be talking about some stablecoin staking, because I know some people want to get into staking. So I'm going to have a video coming up pretty soon talking about how I'm earning passive income throughout this bear market and stuff like that. So look for that. And yeah, till next time. Hey, wait. Think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time. Peace.